When I say an insane amount of data, I mean, it's hard to believe, but a day on set can produce as much data as, say, like all the global photo uploads to Reddit in a day. Like, we had some interviews from a gig last week where we were getting 300 and 400 gigabyte individual files. They were ProRes 4444 coming off in the likes of Mini. So I mean a lot of data.
It's like terabytes and terabytes a day.
Welcome to another riveting episode of Tech Stack Tuesday. It's Russ here at Hardpin. I want to broadly dive into a topic, and that's cloud and cloud resources and how they apply to video storage and video production. The cloud can mean a lot of things, but when it comes to video and video production, it's a whole different ballgame than your usual cloud use cases and what the cloud was really built for. The cloud was mostly built for stuff like websites. So let's take some really compressed stuff and take a small amount of data and serve it to a huge amount of people. I mean, hopefully millions. In video production and archival, we reverse that. We take an insanely large amount of data and we serve it to a handful of people. One of the consequences of that is the price of the actual storage really starts to matter. Now, we're not spending money like Reddit or CNN.com or something, so you need to be really thoughtful about how and where you store your data and what your needs are at what different points along your production chain. Down at the bottom, you get archive storage, and that's about $1. And then you have your hot storage, and that's more like $80, $90, $100. So the spread from the bottom to the top, it's like 100 times different. Each class has a really critical purpose. And if you're smart about it, you match the class to the need at the time. And there's a lot of different providers and a lot of different platforms that are really good at what they do, like Lucid Link, Suite, Iconic, some other damn. But there are not a lot of platforms that are really good at leveraging all the different tiers you need for all the different use cases. Our little corner of the internet is small enough where you have to start being really smart and you have to kind of stack these services together in a way that connects them together so you can actually get value.